Right now I'm making no super noodles, but in Spanish one, super chunks. So I'm just eating it. No, okay. So it's really hard when you got it out. 12:14. I just got out of the shower. What time is it? I really got in the shower. They put my they call it my pajamas, and it's really 7:38, where it's really late. Yeah. So we have to sleep early because tomorrow we have a test. So my hands are burning, so I have to take scotch. So I have this fidget. I'll show you. Oh, it glows in the dark, but you guys can't see it that much. Put it right here, right here. Wait. You can't see it that much. I can't see it, but it glows in the dark. Could I show it right here? Right here. You know. Sorry, you guys. You guys went to the underworld. This is like saying it. So you can't spin it because I have to spin it. Wait, I have to spin it with one hand. So I can't do it because I don't have the thing, but like, yeah, it's my fidget. So, oh yeah. So, bye guys. Please follow me. Please text me. My phone number is 484018029. Bye. I'm making this video about my fidget. Bye.